Hi guys, this is gonna be my short PA, and I quite not sure why. Alright, I do understand why is my mistake of it when all this session started. So let me start on the 15 YC. Okay, cool. Um, at this part right here, I can see that why I drew the lines right there. And then what I like to do is like things so far that I want to look as a float, where quick or where's this thing at right now. And I draw some line here that break out over here. So I draw some line here of why this go down but then go really up. I think there's some stuff that I'm missing and why I took that trade for and why they fail. So look at the float is still like kind of to me like a sideways, but I look like it's about to turn around, and I was looking for more like a buy for now. Okay, so at this time I have the this area over here and this area that I'm looking forward to. For that time, I think I probably why I'm failing is um the bio is going weak a lot, and then the consolidate this area, which is at the point of the range state, and what kind of state that this probably could be of 3 minutes or 3 minutes around here, and the state over here at this point I haven't have any breakout of any session, and to see to what I see for every long run, I'm kind of not in a good price. So maybe they just want to go down more lower to hit to the 1 hour, see how it goes the 1 hour, how to drop it. But at this point, I am so kind of because this is a seller and over here is a buyer, and then consolidate. So it's not that bad. It's not bad, but the thing is that I'm learning why I fail in that area. And the thing when they started, the sellers there, but the sellers still here and knock it down. And I'm just gonna wait until the result what's going on here. Because at this point, I knew. At this point, I could see that they killed the seller right here, and then over here they try to kill the seller over here. And yeah, I feel I am still in the state of a seller and the buyer still fighting, and so it came down, and this might be a chance for me to maybe they do some pro again and then go down. Now I want to see kind of around here. I'll restop. Yeah, but anyways, this is done. I failed. Um, I'm still not clear, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty clear that the cell came down and then consolidate here. And I'm glad they didn't hold this as much. I just put a stop loss over here to take out. And that's basically it. This is my PA a fail. So it's okay. I still move on and keep going.